Hi everyone, welcome to another Organize with me. Today I am going to be taking all of my extra discs or discs that I'm not using right now, and I'm going to be putting them into containers. If you saw my DIY time video where I used packaging materials to create different storage and other items from Happy Planner, you'll know that I decorated some of the deluxe cover boxes that they came in, and this is what I'm going to be using to store my discs. So I just have this one for expanders, and then I have two smaller ones. This one is going to be for classic size disc. And then this one is going to be for mini disc, and I've actually separated it with plastic so that it's two separate rows. That way we don't have disc flying all over the place because these are very, very tiny. So what I'm going to be doing today is just putting the different discs into the system. If you're using something different to hold your disc, you can go ahead and get that out, but I'm just going to be playing some nice, relaxing, motivational music, and we will go ahead and get started. And I'm going to go ahead and start with mini disc. So stay tuned. Here is the final product in my cart. Everything matches really beautifully with the rose gold, and now I can really clearly see all of my different colored discs for projects and things like that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more content coming soon, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.